Hello everybody, welcome. Quick video today to show you how to remove the front cowl, which is the front fairings on the XRV 750 Africa Twin. So come with me and I'll show you how. Alright, to remove the front fairings on the Africa Twin 750 RD07, there's one bolt here which is a white and another one here which is actually, you can remove with this flat screwdriver. And then there is, just get a light here, there is one bolt right there, right here, and the one on the other side, and you remove that, and that should come off. That one is a 10mm bolt. If this is with this screwdriver, you can remove that. You need to remove your side fairings, of course, because they are attached to here, and to remove the front. Right, so this is it. This is how you do. Let me just show you how. And you just remove that bolt. There is actually a thread on a nut lock on the top. You can just remove that and make sure you don't lose this, and you can pop that out. That's the first one. Then you need to do the same for the other side. You need then a 10mm socket, and I'm gonna get an extension. And you need to take this bolt out. Right, so I forgot about that. So this bolt is actually will be a different bolt on yours, because my one I have the grill. So you just have to remove this bolt out. Make sure you just hold, because it's gonna drop. And there we go. That's the front cowl out. Alright, so this is how you take off your front cowl or fender, whatever they call it, I'm not sure, on the XRV Africa Twin 750. So thanks guys for watching.